undergraduate students who have maintained a cumulative GPA of 3.71 to 3.89.
Respect the elder, you know?
Do it again. 1, 2, 3. That was so cute. Do it again. 1, 2, 3.
It feels like so much of the world is in a rush to resume, get things back to normal. I haven't felt that way. Feels kind of like recovery. Slowly I've been getting back into all the things that I love.
I had my favorite butter, Kerrygold butter. I'm gonna take about this much.
Cooking is number 2 on that list of things I love. Somewhere down the line, my hair is on that list. And if we've learned anything from last year, it's to enjoy the things that you love. Live your life. Do things that make you happy, that bring you joy, that make you feel at peace. On February 16th, 2021, I was given the honor of turning 25 in a time where we've lost so many people and we're grieving so hard and so deeply. I don't take that for granted. And while I'll be getting back to the number 1s on my list, I've picked up some mindfulness practices and continued some mindfulness practices. My love for painting has grown exponentially since college. I literally can't stop. I have a playlist on my YouTube channel called Art Therapy, and I like to add things that I want to recreate, and I encourage you guys to look through that playlist, see if you find anything that resonates with you.
I'm pretty proud of this painting. I'm trying to fix the right side, this red strip under the yellow, but we shall see. But I'm pretty happy with it. It turned out better than I was expecting.
I'm happy to be back. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon.